Hello, Brian Ambundo here. So as you can see, what we have here is a picture I've uploaded onto Google Gemini to give me a synthesis of the curriculum that I'm going to be teaching on how one can learn to vibe code, come up with sites, and also sell them to other individuals. So the first thing we are going to check at is how to install Google Anti-Gravity. Once we have that out of the way, we are going to check and see how we can install Cloud Code. Then we're going to initiate or initialize our project. This is something everybody can do. Then the next thing is going to be learning a little bit about the CMD, the command prompt. After we've learned something about the command prompt, you're going to jump into the BMAD strategy. I'm going to tell you whatever the BMAD method is. It's an agile framework. Then finally, we are going to jump into Google Anti-Gravity, where we are going just to ask it to work with the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build a front-end website. Then on the logic side, it's going to be JS, and for the emailing system, it's going to be email.js. Finally, we are going to do deployment on to the cloud. We are definitely going to be using either TrueHost or Hostinger, one of those two. And so yeah, that's going to be the whole lot of whatever it is we are going to be doing. So if you get these skills, you are guaranteed to have something that is of value, because you can build websites for clients. Now it's all up to you to go and try find clients, in the sense of that you can actually build the website of a potential client, show it unto them and tell them, hey, look, I built you this. If you like it, you can continue with it. If not, then you can just scrap it off, and it can be a mode of engagement with a potential client. So yes, that's where we are at right now. The next, I think, 5 or 6 lectures are going to be in-depth lectures of what you're supposed to be building. I'm excited, and I hope you also are excited as I am. Stay tuned. Thank you.